There's a YouTube channel that was created just 1 month ago, and in that short amount of time, it has already grown to over 70,000 subscribers with more than 100 million total views, which is honestly insane. When you see numbers like that, you wonder why. The answer is simple: satisfying epoxy flooring and home renovation videos. The kind of content you start watching for a few seconds and suddenly realize you've been there for minutes. The smooth pouring, glossy finishes, and perfect transformations make these videos addictive, so viewers return and the algorithm pushes them to millions. What's even more interesting, these aren't real job sites. No crew, no gear. Every viral video is made entirely with AI. From construction to luxury epoxy finishes, it's all digitally generated, yet looks completely real. This is one of the fastest growing and most underrated AI content niches on YouTube right now, and it's exploding because it combines two things the internet loves: satisfying visuals and transformation-based storytelling. In today's video, I'm going to break everything down and show you exactly how to create these viral, satisfying epoxy flooring videos using AI step by step. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any steps. Now let's get started. The very first step in creating these viral AI epoxy flooring videos is choosing the right topic or idea. And the good news is, you don't need to stress or spend hours trying to come up with ideas on your own. To make this process simple, I've put together a ready-to-use Google Doc packed with topic prompts and AI prompts specifically designed for creating viral epoxy flooring, home renovation, and construction time-lapse videos using AI. You'll find the link to this Google Doc in the description below, so make sure you check it out. And if you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit the like button, because it tells the YouTube algorithm that this content is valuable and helps it reach more creators who want to grow using AI. Now let's jump right back into the tutorial. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the full topic prompt provided there. Once you've done that, open your preferred AI writing tool. For this tutorial, I'm using ChatGPT. Paste the prompt directly into the chat box and make one small but important adjustment by specifying how many video topics or ideas you want the AI to generate. After that, simply hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete list of high-engagement video ideas tailored specifically for the satisfying epoxy flooring and home renovation niche. Each topic comes with a short description, making it easy to understand the concept and decide which one has the most potential. If none of the ideas feel like the right fit, that's totally fine. You can just ask ChatGPT to generate more options, and it will instantly give you a fresh set of new ideas to choose from. Take a moment to review the results carefully, then select the topic or idea that stands out to you the most. The next step is creating the image visuals for your video. Before generating any images, you need high-quality image prompts that clearly guide the AI to recreate the exact visual style used by the viral channel we're modeling. Head back to the Google Doc and copy the full image prompt provided there. Once you've copied it, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt directly into the chat box. You'll then make a few simple adjustments. First, enter the number of image prompts you want the AI to generate. This depends on how long you want your video to be and how many construction stages you want to show. Next, enter the number of the topic or idea you selected earlier. After that, hit enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a complete set of detailed, ready-to-use image prompts, broken down stage by stage, from surface preparation and fixing to epoxy pouring, and finally the fully finished luxury result. These prompts are designed specifically for creating satisfying epoxy flooring and home renovation images using AI, making them perfect for generating the exact type of visuals you need for a viral time-lapse or transformation video. Now it's time to generate the images, and for this, we'll be using Flow AI to create high-quality, realistic visuals. Head over to Flow AI and log in with your email. Once you're in, click on New Project, then switch to Image, which will bring up the image creation interface. Before generating anything, let's tweak the settings to make sure everything is optimized. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, and select the output quantity. 1 is enough for now. Next, choose your video model. You can select from Imagen, Nano Banana, or Nano Banana Pro, depending on which one you prefer. Now we're ready to add our first prompt. Head back to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt from your list. Return to Flow AI, paste the prompt into the input box, and click Generate. Within seconds, Flow AI will create your first image, and as you can see, it's incredibly realistic. It's the first stage where the floor is messy and under construction, exactly what we want. Go ahead and download this image to your device. For the second image, we need to ensure consistency. Add the first image to prompt as a reference so that the AI keeps the room layout and perspective identical. Then, copy the second prompt from ChatGPT, Paste it into Flow AI and click Generate. In just a few seconds, your second image will appear, showing the same room, but now with workers actively working on the floor, creating a believable mid-construction scene. Now repeat this same process for the rest of your image prompts to generate all the stages, from messy floor to epoxy pour to the fully finished luxury floor. The next step is to animate our images into a video, turning our static visuals into a satisfying time-lapse sequence. Head back to Flow AI and switch to frame to video, then tweak the settings just like we did before to make sure everything is optimized for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or long-form content. Start by uploading your first image as frame 1 and your second image as frame 2. To guide the animation, we need a video prompt. Head over to the Google Doc and copy the video prompt. Then paste it into ChatGPT and hit Enter. Within seconds, ChatGPT will produce a refined, ready-to-use video prompt that will tell the AI exactly how to animate the frames. Copy the first video prompt and go back to Flow AI, paste it into the prompt section, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, Flow AI will create your first video animation. Preview it. You can see how the empty floor gradually transforms into a realistic mid-construction scene. It looks incredibly smooth and professional. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and download the video to your device. To continue, repeat this process for the next stage. Upload the second image as frame 1 and the third image as frame 2. Then paste your second video prompt from ChatGPT to generate the next segment. By repeating this process for all your image pairs, you'll create a full step-by-step cinematic epoxy flooring and home renovation time-lapse video clips. The final step is to bring everything together with editing, and for this, we'll be using CapCut. Start by opening CapCut and clicking on New Project. Then import all the video clips you generated from Flow AI Orderly. Make sure to set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Next, go through your clips and stretch or adjust them as needed to remove any watermarks or logos. Once that's done, it's time to add transitions to make your video flow smoothly. Click on Overlay Transitions. Select the style you prefer, and then click Apply to All to give your entire video a consistent professional look. After that, import your background music and trim it so it fits perfectly within the video length. Make sure the audio complements the visuals. Once everything is in place, watch the video from start to finish to ensure it flows smoothly and looks polished. If you're satisfied with the results, click Export. Increase the resolution to 4K for maximum quality, and download your final video to your device. Now let's take a look at our final result. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below.